I've just finished installing the fork guards. I've taken the measuring devices and pushed them all the way to the top of the forks. I've given the bike a test ride and, well, frankly, I really like it. So this is way better than my original setup. The reason why I think it is way better is because instead of getting about 5 inches of travel before it slams, I'm probably going to get about 7 inches of travel before it slams. So that crash bar is still a little loose. I probably want to tighten that up just a little bit more. This is the one I crashed on. This is still a little bit bent, but this crash bar is still a little bit loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten that up a little bit more. Hopefully that won't snap. I crashed this on one of my other videos, the dirt riding learn to turn video, so that's just a wee bit loose. I just want to make sure that that's a little snug all the time. And as you wipe down your bike, you're going to find spots where oil went that you never thought possible. That oil from the forks goes everywhere. So just wipe it down real quick. You don't want to be too perfect. If you're too perfect, then you're no longer human. So just to compare, that's a lot tighter. So I'm going to have to tighten that back down. See, you got some water spots everywhere, but I'm not going to care about that so much. I'm going to go ride the dirt. So there you go. One suspension tune. Really did a great job too. I'm happy with the oil level because I knew I stepped down to that level as opposed to just guessing it and hoping that it's right. So I'm very pleased.